my name is Dorothy. This is Hacker Hint. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make cranberry Christmas cake. So let's get baking. So the first is that we're going to make the cranberry filling. So this is 2 cups of cranberries. And this is a 1/2 cup of sugar. And we're going to mix that all together until the berries are nice and coated with sugar. And I rinsed the berries before I started so that they're a little damp so the sugar sticks to them. And then we have a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. So that's the filling. So we're going to set that aside and we're going to make the batter. So the batter consists of a cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of butter. So we're going to cream this together. This bowl is too shallow for this mixer, so I'm going to transfer it into a higher bowl. So we're going to cream 3/4 butter and a cup of sugar. The butter is in little chunks now. Now I'm going to add the eggs, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of almond extract. So it's all incorporated. And now, so I'm going to add the flour. It's 1 cup of flour. It's the consistency of cookie dough. I wish I could smell these cranberries. They smell delicious. So there's the pies. Cranberry pie is out of the oven, and this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna plate it up and have a little taste. So this is the finished product. It's still very warm. Really good. So this is a cranberry pecan Christmas cake. Cranberries are really delicious. They're very tender and very flavorful, and then the pecans add a little crunch. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in my next one.